Wondernuts, where curiosity takes flight. Wondernuts.
The dancing raisins. Here, our objective is to learn about buoyancy and carbon dioxide gas through a fun experiment where raisins dance in soda.
Welcome back, bright minds, to Professor Bubbles' Wonder Lab, where science is a little sparkly and a lot of fun. Today, I've got a fizzy little surprise for you. We're about to take some wrinkly old raisin and make them dance. That's right, no music needed, just a little bubbly science. So tighten your goggles, because this experiment is about to pop with excitement. Before we begin, let's gather our trusty science supplies. For this experiment, you'll need a clear glass, some carbonated soda like Sprite or 7-Up, and of course, a few raisins. That's it. 3 simple things. You don't need a lab for science. Your kitchen will do just fine. And if you want to get extra sparkly, you can decorate your science station just like our Wonder Lab. Now let's get things bubbling. Carefully pour the soda into your clear glass. Listen closely as the fizz begins. That sound is made by carbon dioxide gas escaping the liquid. It's what makes soda fizzy and fun. This gas forms thousands of tiny bubbles that zoom toward the top, ready to help our raisins put on a show. Next, drop in a few raisins. Gently. You'll see them sink right to the bottom like little underwater explorers. They don't float yet, and that's... And now, watch carefully. The bubbles start to stick to the surface of the raisins. Raisins have a rough texture, which makes it easy for bubbles to grab on. As more and more bubbles attach, they begin to lift the raisins up, just like tiny invisible balloons. When they reach the top, the bubbles pop and the raisins fall back down. Up, down, up, down. It's a bubbly boogie. We call it the dancing raisin effect. So why does this happen? Let's break it down. Soda is full of carbon dioxide gas. When a raisin sinks, bubbles cling to it because its surface is bumpy. These bubbles act like mini floaties, reducing the raisin's overall density and pushing it upward. But once the bubbles reach the top and burst, the raisin becomes heavy again and sinks. It's a perfect example of buoyancy in action, how gases and liquids affect what floats and what sinks. Now it is your task to go ahead at home and use whatever you want to use instead of the soda. See how different things react differently with different liquids. So try it and let us know what danced at your home. And that's a wrap on today's experiment, Curious Explorers. Isn't it amazing how something as simple as soda and raisins can turn into a dancing science lesson? Science is full of surprises, and it's hiding in the most unexpected places, like your kitchen or your lunchbox. Keep wondering, keep exploring, and remember, every question is the start of a new discovery. Until next time, stay fizzy with curiosity. Science is fun when you ask why. If you like the series, subscribe our channel and like our video. It would motivate us to bring new and fun learning ways for kids.